So the U.S. Supreme Court on Monday announced they're going to hear this case from the Fifth Circuit to resolve a circuit split. It's where like the Fifth Circuit, Ninth Circuit maybe have differing opinions on an issue, and so the Supreme Court comes in and says, "Hey, we're gonna decide what is the law." What it's about is the crossing of the use of marijuana, which is legal in a lot of states, and the ownership of guns. And those two things federally are both illegal. What do I mean by that? When you go to buy a gun, you have to fill out an ATF form. And one of the questions is, are you a regular user of or addicted to marijuana, along with all other Schedule I narcotics? And if you answer yes, you don't get to buy the gun. If you answer no, and you are a regular user or addicted to a Schedule I narcotic, you've committed a felony and you can be charged by the federal government. Why is this super important, like here in Nevada especially? If you previously were not a regular user of cannabis or addicted to it, and you bought guns legally, but then fast forward, marijuana becomes illegal and now you're smoking pot on the regular, you're in violation of federal law. You have to give up your guns. Otherwise, they can charge you with a crime. So, let's say that like in Nevada, it's totally legal for you to defend your house. Somebody breaks into your house, you pull out your gun, you shoot them. That's the castle doctrine. You have a right to defend your castle, defend your home. The cops are going to come and you will not be charged with murder. Congratulations. But if they find a whole stash of pot in your house, which is legal in the state, they can charge you with a federal gun crime. And you're looking at 10 years in prison. So we'll see what the Supreme Court does. I think they're going to uphold the law because a Schedule I narcotic is a Schedule I narcotic. It's legal for Congress to say if you're smoking meth, you can't buy a gun. If you're doing heroin, you can't buy a gun. Yeah, marijuana is different, but not according to the law. That's up to the legislature, not the court. So if you're smoking a lot of pot, get rid of your guns.